In this video, we'll be exploring 10 offbeat left field tips for leading a frugal lifestyle. These tips may seem strange at first, but trust us, they're guaranteed to help you live life on a budget. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride of frugal living hacks. Tip 1. Reuse old items. Get ready to give your old belongings a new lease on life. When it comes to frugal living, reuse is a key principle to follow. With just a little bit of creativity and ingenuity, you can transform your discarded items into functional, cost-saving tools. From glass jars that can be repurposed as storage containers to clothes that can be cut up and used as rags, the possibilities are endless. By breathing new life into old items, you'll not only save money, but also help reduce waste and protect the environment. So don't just throw things away. Think about how you can give them a second chance at serving a purpose. Join the reuse revolution and watch your savings soar. Tip 2. Reduce water usage. It's time to turn off the tap and start conserving one of our most precious resources, water. In the world of frugal living, every drop counts. By taking simple steps to reduce your water usage, you can lower your utility bills and do your part for the environment. From fixing leaky faucets to taking shorter showers, there are many ways to conserve water. And the best part, these changes require little effort but yield big results, so let's start making a splash with our water conservation efforts. By embracing a more mindful approach to water usage, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. And who knows, you may even inspire others to follow in your footsteps. So dive into the deep end and start saving today. Tip 3. Reduce energy usage. It's time to give your energy bills the boot and start living a more sustainable life. In the world of frugal living, reducing energy usage is a must-do. By embracing energy-saving habits, you can lower your bills and reduce your carbon footprint. From harnessing the power of natural light to turning off electronics when they're not in use, there are many simple yet effective ways to reduce energy consumption. So let's start shining a light on energy efficiency and learn how to save big. By making small changes in your daily habits, you can make a big impact on both your wallet and the environment. So switch off, unplug, and start saving today. Tip 4. Grow your own food. It's time to put your green thumb to work and start growing your own food. In the world of frugal living, growing your own produce is a fantastic way to save money and eat healthier. From planting a vegetable garden to cultivating fresh herbs on your windowsill, there are many ways to get started. And the best part, you'll be able to enjoy fresh, delicious, and chemical-free produce all season long. So let's start sowing the seeds of a frugal and sustainable lifestyle. By embracing the joys of gardening, you'll not only save money, but also connect with nature and learn new skills. So get your gloves on and start growing today. Tip 5. Use public transportation, carpool, walk, or bike. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. It's time to leave the car at home and start exploring the world on foot, bike, or public transportation. In the world of frugal living, reducing your reliance on a personal vehicle can save you big bucks on gas, insurance, and maintenance. From taking the bus or train to carpooling with coworkers, there are many options for getting around without breaking the bank. And the best part, by choosing alternative modes of transportation, you'll not only save money but also reduce your carbon footprint and get some exercise. So let's start the journey towards a greener, healthier, and more frugal lifestyle. By embracing the freedom of foot, bike, or public transportation, you'll see that getting around can be both economical and enjoyable. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure on wheels. Tip 6. Shop at thrift stores, garage sales, and second-hand markets. It's time to explore the world of second-hand shopping and discover the treasures that await. In the world of frugal living, shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, and second-hand markets is a great way to save money and reduce waste. From finding gently used clothing and household items to scoring vintage and one-of-a-kind finds, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, by shopping second-hand, you'll not only save money but also support local communities and the environment. So let's start the hunt for hidden gems and make second-hand shopping a staple in our frugal lifestyles. By embracing the thrill of the thrift, you'll discover that shopping can be both economical and exciting. So dig in and get ready to find your next treasure. Tip 7. Cook at home instead of eating out. It's time to roll up your sleeves and start whipping up delicious meals in the comfort of your own kitchen. In the world of frugal living, cooking at home instead of eating out is a smart way to save money and eat healthier. From experimenting with new recipes to making your favorite restaurant dishes at home, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, by cooking at home, you'll not only save money, but also have the flexibility to control the ingredients and portion sizes. So let's start the culinary journey and make home-cooked meals a staple in our frugal lifestyles. By embracing the art of cooking, you'll discover that mealtime can be both economical and enjoyable. So grab your apron and get ready to cook up a storm. Tip 8. Reduce paper usage. It's time to bid farewell to excessive paper usage and embrace a greener lifestyle. In the world of frugal living, reducing paper usage is a simple yet impactful way to save money and the environment. From switching to digital documents to using cloth napkins instead of paper ones, there are many ways to reduce paper usage. And the best part, by embracing this change, you'll not only save money, but also reduce waste and conserve natural resources. So let's start the journey towards a more sustainable and frugal lifestyle. By reducing paper usage, you'll find that everyday tasks can be both economical and environmentally friendly. So let's take a step towards a greener future and start reducing paper usage today. Tip 9. Cut cable and switch to streaming services. It's time to break away from the traditional and embrace the digital revolution. In the world of frugal living, cutting cable and switching to streaming services is a smart way to save money and stay entertained. From accessing a vast library of movies and TV shows to enjoying live events and original content, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, by switching to streaming services, you'll not only save money but also have the flexibility to watch your favorite content on the go. So let's start the journey towards a more modern and frugal entertainment experience. By embracing the power of streaming, you'll discover that staying entertained can be both economical and effortless. So cut the cord and get ready to stream your way to a frugal and entertaining lifestyle. Tip 10. Reduce or eliminate impulse purchases. It's time to take control of your finances and curb those impulsive purchases. In the world of frugal living, reducing or eliminating impulse buys is a key component to saving money. From making a shopping list to waiting a few days before making a purchase, there are many ways to control impulsive spending. And the best part, by avoiding impulse purchases, you'll not only save money but also reduce clutter and minimize buyer's remorse. So let's start the journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle. By taking control of impulse purchases, you'll find that shopping can be both economical and intentional. So put on your thinking cap and get ready to curb those impulsive buys for good. And there you have it. A collection of 10 weird yet wonderful frugal living tips that can help you save money and live a more sustainable life. From reusing old items to reducing paper usage, these tips are easy to implement and can have a significant impact on your finances and the environment. The world of frugal living is full of creative solutions and opportunities to save money, and the tips discussed in this video are just the beginning. So embrace the challenge and get ready to discover new and innovative ways to live a frugal and fulfilling life. In conclusion, frugal living is not just about saving money, but it's also about living a more mindful and sustainable life. So don't be afraid to try something new and get creative with your finances. The possibilities are endless, and the journey towards a frugal lifestyle is both exciting and rewarding. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.